craving mystery recipe is how to make a perfect butter chicken. Add the boneless chicken to a mixing bowl. Add the required amount of salt. Add red chili powder for heat and color. Add black pepper for a mild kick. Add ginger garlic paste for aroma and flavor. Now add oil. Mix everything thoroughly and allow the chicken to rest for a few minutes. Now heat a pan and add butter. Carefully add the marinated chicken. Continue cooking until the chicken is evenly cooked and juicy. Carefully take out the chicken and keep it aside. In the same pan, add a little more butter. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté until aromatic. Now, pour in fresh tomato puree and stir gently. Add red chili powder for heat and color. Add the required amount of salt. Stir and mix well. Add garam masala for warm spice flavor. Add fresh cream to enrich the sauce. Crush kajuri methi and add it to the sauce. Stir and mix well. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan evenly. Mix gently and simmer for a few minutes. Now, take the butter chicken and plate it beautifully. Finish with a light cream drizzle. Now, add a small butter cube for richness. Serve it hot, rich, creamy, and irresistible butter chicken. And that's today's craving mystery. Enjoy!